We are going to start this afternoon at Korea's Constitutional Court. The third hearing in the impeachment trial against President Park Geun-hye is taking place as we speak. It only started 2 hours ago, but we already have some interesting developments. We go to our reporter Kim Ji-yeon, who's at the court for us. Ji-yeon, let's start then with the whereabouts of President Park on the day of the Sewol-ho ferry sinking.
Sure, Mark. The justices of the Constitutional Court have told the president's lawyers the document they submitted on her whereabouts and activities on the day of the ferry disaster in April 2014 is not enough. The court, which requested the documentation be provided today, said they needed more details, particularly in regard to when President Park was first made aware of the situation. In the document submitted to the court, it said the president was told about the ferry sinking at 10 a.m. That's roughly an hour after local media first started reporting on the ferry disaster. The court also requested the president's lawyers submit phone records between President Park and security officers that briefed her or received her orders on the day of the ferry sinking. The court says it wants her lawyers to provide the extra details ASAP. The president's immediate whereabouts and activities on the day of the disaster remain largely unknown to this day, and it's one of the key charges brought by the National Assembly's legal team. They accuse the president of neglecting her duty due to her failure to use all the resources at her disposal to save lives during the ferry disaster. The sinking on April 16, 2014 led to the deaths of 304 people, mostly high school students. And President's former senior secretary for policy coordination, An Jong-bum, was expected to be here as a witness later today, but he told the court at around 11:20 a.m. this morning that he will not be able to attend the hearing later today, saying he has to prepare for criminal trials. He requested the court to give him at least a week to prepare. And is suspected of pressuring conglomerates to give donations to two government-linked foundations allegedly run by President Park's longtime confidant, Choi Soon-sil. Choi and former presidential secretary Chung Ho-sung also informed the Constitutional Court on Monday that they will not attend the hearing for the same reasons, that they have to prepare for the criminal trials. And the court pushed the hearing of Chung today to next Thursday. Back to you, Mark.